George Pearl with my R3000 professional printer today. I bought this printer and I thought it was a really good printer, and I even told a friend of mine to get one also. And both of us have had nothing but trouble. What happened was that the printer would drip ink all over the pictures. And of course, it started doing this about 3 or 4 weeks before the warranty ran out. By the time I figured out there was really something wrong with the printer, and I called the repair shop, which is about 30 miles away from me in Kennesaw, and I had time to actually take the printer there for repair, it was like 2 weeks after the warranty had run out, even though I'd called them and told them I was having trouble with it. And so they said, oh, this should never happen. I'm sure it'll be under warranty. Well, it wasn't. And so it cost me about $650 to repair the printer. And it worked for a little while, and then started dripping ink all over the prints again. Of course, it was now out of the repair warranty as well. So I have a solution for this printer, and we're going to do that today. Okay, that was the cure for #1 printer. Now we have #2 printer to cure. What to do with an R3000 Epson printer. This is the best use for this printer, totally. Okay, we're gonna show you what to do with this Epson printer. Golly, that's done it. The cure for the Epson R3000 printer.